4 men you see in this surveillance video will be tried separately for the crime, which means 4 long, emotional trials for the victim's family. 41 Action News anchor Cynthia Newsome is now live at the courthouse. Cynthia.
Well, the decision today means a long road ahead for prosecutors, for police detectives, and also for Becky Bieker. She is the widow of Jon Bieker, who was shot and killed during the botched robbery at She's a Pistol. Now, with the decision today, that means that Becky Bieker is going to have to testify 4 times, and prosecutors are going to have to present their case 4 times. Let's take a look now at the video. It was in January of 2015 that the actual event happened. This was the murder at the She's a Pistol murder store. The judge hasn't even set a trial date, and he won't for another 60 days, so 2 years will pass before the first trial begins. Now, this is the first time for months that the 4 murder suspects have been in court together. They all wanted the same thing, to be tried separately. DeAnthony is in a wheelchair, and his defense attorney successfully convinced the judge.
Because these charges are so serious, of course, Mr. Wiley needs to be afforded an opportunity to have a fair trial where he's not defending against multiple parties. He's not defending against Mr. Patterson's accusations and against the state's accusations.
There's several other cases where one party played one role and the other party played a different role in the crime, but they were still tried together.
Now, again, the defense attorney convinced the judge to let Wiley have a separate trial, and that means all 4 suspects in this case, the She's a Pistol murder trial, will be tried separately. We'll keep following it for you at the Johnson County Courthouse. Cynthia Newsome, 41 Action News.